In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in QuickBooks Online. Managing finances across different currencies can be tricky, but QuickBooks Online makes it simple to adjust your settings so everything aligns with your financial reporting needs. Whether you're managing international transactions or just need to switch to the currency of your home country, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to create an account and get started. Now, let's dive right in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the main dashboard. From here, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu where you can access all the tools you need to configure your account. Once the menu appears, select the option labeled Account and Settings. This will take you to the page where you can customize various aspects of your QuickBooks setup. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a navigation panel. Click on the Advanced tab. This is where you'll find more specific settings, including the option to update your currency preferences. Now, scroll down until you reach the section called Currency. Here you'll see the current home currency displayed. If you need to change it, click on the option to select a different currency. Next, you'll be presented with a list of available currencies. Choose the one that corresponds to the country where your financial reporting and taxes are primarily managed. Make sure to select the correct currency, as this setting will affect how your financial data is displayed moving forward. After selecting your new currency, QuickBooks may prompt you to confirm the change. If this happens, go ahead and confirm. The page will then refresh automatically. Once it has finished loading, take a moment to verify that the home currency has been successfully updated. You should see your new currency displayed in place of the previous one. To ensure everything is working correctly, it's a good idea to review one of your key reports, like the profit and loss statement. Check that the amounts and currency symbols are displaying accurately based on the changes you made. If you notice anything that needs further adjustments, you can always revisit the currency section in your settings and make the necessary changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your home currency in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.